Is the original bag that I made. I made this bag for a friend of mine's. This is hers, a birthday bag, and I put 46 on it for her. I made this bag editable, so I'm going to show you how to edit this file. If you purchase this from me, I have it in my Etsy, and I'm going to put it on my website also. So here it is here, and as you can see, everything on this file is, you can change it out, delete it, or add to it. Here is the bag by itself with nothing on it, so you can just start over from scratch if you want. And then I have the numbers here, so you can change out the numbers. So let me start with this one if you want to go this route. So what you're going to do is you're going to put your picture here, and you're going to add the numbers to this chain right here. So I am going to grab me a photo of me. Okay, and then the stuff that I'm going to use, you need to have Canva Pro to be able to use these elements, but you also can remove the background somewhere else. You don't have to do that in Canva. So I'm going to remove the background. Okay, so as you can see, the edges are cut off. I don't like that look, so I'm going to go down to apps, and I'm going to type in blend images. Well, blend image. And I always mix these up. It's two different ones. I believe it's this one that I want. Yep, that's it. Okay, so I go here to fade, and I'm going to click this one right here and pull the little tab out, and then you can place it like however you want it to go on yours. I don't want my head cut off, so I'm kind of like, okay, that's look about right. And then click save. If you do not click save and you just click anywhere on the screen, what you just did will not save. So click save, close that out. And as you see, I am now faded. So as you can see, this picture is obviously backwards because I took it on my phone. So I'm going to go up to flip, and I'm going to flip it. These, I'm going to move these for now. Put me there. Okay. So these diamonds, oh, that's not the diamonds. Okay. So let's move this over a little bit. And you don't have to leave these diamonds here. You could take these off. I'm just showing you working with what we have already. Okay, so I'm gonna leave that there. And for the numbers, I'm gonna grab a 4. I'm gonna hold down shift and click on the 5. Go to these 3 dots and click copy. Now you don't have to do it that way. You can click one and drag it up, but this is the easier way for me. Click on the image, right click, and paste. Click anywhere. Then I'm gonna grab the 4, put it next to the 5. I'm gonna make the 5 a little taller. Hold down shift. Then I'm gonna group them, bring them down. And let me angle this a little bit to make it appear that is on there. Okay, and that's pretty much it. Super easy to edit this file. Once you have the edit how you want it, you can you're going to want to print both of you don't want to print it twice. So you could print this one that you put your picture and a number on, and then print this one. The reason why you want to do that is because you cut a slit right here, and I'll insert the video. You cut it right here, and that's going to make your opening, and you're going to put it on top of this, and that's going to make your illusion. And that's how you do it. If you have any other questions, please comment below, let me know. Also, like I said, this will be available in my Etsy and also on my website, craftedbytrice.com. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Trice from Crafted by Trice. Today I'm going to show you exactly how I put this viral denim illusion bag together step by step. First thing you want to do is print out your design. You're going to print out the front and back. You can get this template from my website, craftedbytrice.com, or you can get it at my Etsy shop, also Crafted by Trice. The reason why the back has this white backing is just to save ink. With the gas prices going up, child, we need to save money wherever we can, okay? And use your Cricut or your Silhouette to cut these out, but for today, I'm going to use my scissors. Okay, now that I have my 2 pieces cut out, I'm going to have to cut out the center of the bag. I'm going to start cutting where the bottom zipper is, like right above the bottom zipper. If you want to cut out the whole thing, you can go ahead and cut off the top, like right under the top of the zipper, if that makes sense. But today, I'm only going to cut right above the bottom zipper. I'm just going to put a slit right there, and it's going to open up. Now that you have this piece over, you're going to turn it around, and you're going to put either tape, double-sided tape or glue. I personally use both to reinforce it. I use double-sided tape first, I peel off the backing, and then I go in with my craft glue. I got this glue from Amazon. The double-sided tape, I believe I also got that from Amazon. When I say no without guilt, and I still keep my peace. Once you have all your adhesive down, go ahead and stack them right on top of each other. Make sure they are perfectly aligned before you press all the way down. Then you can just let your bag dry and go ahead and fill it with whatever you want to fill it with. I'm going to show you the items that I put in there. I got these from Five Below. They come 3 in a pack, but I'm going to use the blue one just to match her theme. And the other things I got are an e-pen, a little mini notebook, and like a organizing pad, and some gum. Just small little things to put in there, and I might put a gift card in there later. But yeah, you could fit small items inside of these bags, or you can fill it with money, anything you want, a card or whatever. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please comment, like, share, follow, subscribe, do all the things. Click that post notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Have a good day. Bye.